Today we will be talking about customary units of measurement. So customary can also be thought of as English. So we have customary and we have metric. So today we will be just talking about customary. These are things that we have heard of and use on a regular basis, or will use, or our parents or guardians will use. So first what we will do is talk about units of length. Okay, we are familiar with all of these. An inch, we abbreviate inch with the lowercase in, and it is about the width of your thumb. That's an inch. A foot is abbreviated FT, and that is approximately the distance between your elbow and your wrist. That is a foot. A yard, YD. And that is about the width of one of our classroom doors or maybe one of the doors to your homes. That is 1 yard. And then a mile is abbreviated MI. And that is approximately 4 times around the track out back of school. 4 times around, that is 1 mile. Now, weight. We have ounce, pound, and ton. And these abbreviations are a little weirder. Ounce is abbreviated OZ. And an ounce is approximately the weight of 1 slice of bread. Now a pound is abbreviated LB. 1 pound is about the weight of a whole loaf of bread. That is about 1 pound. And then a ton is a capital T, and that weight is approximately the size of a small car. So my car parked out in the parking lot weighs approximately 1 ton. And then we have capacity, and capacity can also be thought of as volume. When you're filling some sort of container, that's the capacity. Now, a fluid ounce, this is where it gets a little confusing in our customary units because we have an ounce that has to deal with weight and a type of ounce that has to deal with capacity. We abbreviate that with FLOZ, fluid ounce. A fluid ounce is approximately a spoonful of liquid. That is obviously it's only for liquid. A fluid ounce is about a spoonful. Then we have a cup. That is abbreviated with a C, and that would be like a glass of water. A pint. A pint. This one is not used as much, but if you look at your milk cartons at lunchtime, it'll say a half pint. And a pint is approximately the volume of a bottle of salad dressing. That is a pint. A quart, QT, a quart. A quart is, if for those of you who may have done any painting, like in your homes or anything like that, you get a big can of paint, but you can also buy a smaller can. That is a quart of paint. You can also buy milk or juice in quart-sized containers too. And then we have gallon. GAL is the abbreviation. And most of us, when we buy milk or maybe orange juice at the store, it comes in a gallon container. We will work with going between these units of measurement on a later lesson. But this is just an introduction to our customary units.